Hello, trading is closed on May 4th, 2020. We'll go over our calls. Look for the pattern with the early high. Here it is. Tomorrow has the early low. So the commonest thing was a gap and prompt move outside the day's range. Said that right here. Mixed signals, most common. We get to cross one of our targets off the list, 2804.20, support under the target. We're still waiting for this 2775.94. Ultimately, it should print, but there's no time limit. During the day, MEJT said ultimately lower price it would print. We got the minimum, then we got more as we usually do. Also said this rally wouldn't stick and that we'd retrace to the space where this white line is. We did that. General ideas we've completed. 5 waves up. We're looking for a drop here, and we should go below this green line by 350 points, and that's still pretty far away, but it doesn't mean you won't go up here first. Here's where I'm counting this. You've got a clear 5 waves down. You can count this as an ABC up. It's one place for this rally to stop, but it's not the only place. We had these parallel lines. We broke clearly below the line, rallied back up to it, and a lot of times when you do that, that's the end of the move. So we're waiting to see if this high from today holds. Tuesday's pattern has a early low, doesn't mean you won't gap up. Tomorrow's pattern typically is a rally day with a final high. If it's a negative day, usually it's due to an early drop, and usually the drop isn't over. Reasonable chance of a drop right from the open tomorrow because we have our trend line resistance and we have a reasonable wave count. And if that happens, that's an if, should be a sizable follow through. Even if it doesn't happen, I think the upside is limited here. As always, if we gap up sharply, the call's killed before the open. So we're looking for this rally here to stop. This is a logical place for it to stop. And if we start down smartly, we should get another leg just like the one we completed early today. But if we don't gap down smartly, there's going to be some other place where this wave ends. But I don't think it'll be a heck of a lot higher. And that's today's call.